salmon taco mix. Beautiful colors, amazing fresh veggies and fruit. Should taste absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to try this one. Hey everybody, it's Ozzie here, and I'm here with my dad this time in the kitchen. We're actually going to be making a really interesting recipe. It is going to be salmon and then a salad in a cone, and this is something that my father created himself, and it's a deep fried tortilla. Looks awesome, it smells great, and we're gonna put a salad inside of that, and on the side we're going to have cooked salmon. We have a nice fillet salmon here, and we're gonna cook that and put that on the side of our salad. So I'm gonna have my dad explain to me exactly how this recipe is gonna work. And I'm not sure, he's Spanish speaking primarily, so if he says some things in English, he'll just say it himself, and if he says anything in Spanish, I'll try to translate that over to you guys. So what are we doing today?
Ok, vamos a utilizar salmon con glaze. El glaze se va a componer de scallion, garlic, red pepper, mango, teriyaki, and honey.
So that's just for the glaze that's going on top of the salmon?
Yeah, for the glaze on top of the salmon.
Okay,
yeah.
Nice. Yeah, and then so what else are you gonna do?
Okay, todo se va a cortar a small dice, pequeños pedazos. Luego se va a cocinar a fuego lento.
Okay, so we're gonna cook it light flame and everything's gonna be nicely finely chopped.
Exactly. Y después ya cuando esté todo terminado, se termina el salmón, se esté cocinado ya al
yeah, ¿no? So we're gonna grill the salmon.
Yeah, entonces ya cuando se termina se le va a poner encima al salmón. Pero antes de que se haga lo del salmón y todo esto, el corn va a ir con green salad, mixed green salad. Se va a mezclar, se le va a utilizar el dressing.
So we're gonna use the dressing. We're gonna try to put a mixed salad inside of the tortilla. It's kind of gonna be like I guess a taco salad.
Exactly.
But without the taco meat.
Bueno, creo que por eso hasta ahora.
Yeah. All right, so let's start getting prepped, and we'll take it from there. All right, we're gonna start off here by doing a little bit of olive oil on medium heat. And then we're just gonna lay our salmon fillet on top of there, and we're gonna let that rest and cook for quite some time as we try to prepare for the rest of the salad. All right, there goes our salmon fillet. We're gonna put that right there on top of our pan and let that rest for a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper on top of our salmon. You can just hear the sizzle. Alright, so now we're going to turn the salmon over. And it has a great crust on there. Alright, we're going to cut up and dice our red pepper. I love the color of a red pepper. So bright and vibrant. It's always a great addition to a salad. So now we have the strips we're gonna dice. Now we're gonna take our blood orange and we're gonna dice that up. Such amazing color on the orange again. Oh, we're slicing this. I just tried some of the blood orange. It is perfectly ripe, extremely sweet. It's so delicious. So now we're gonna be doing the scallions. All right, now we're gonna cut up the mango. I gotta say, this is probably my #1 favorite fruit. It is so deliciously sweet. So how exactly are you gonna cut this?
Este va a ser diced, small
Okay,
diced.
so this is gonna also be diced. garlic ready to go. Squish it up and then we're gonna dice it. Now all of this is gonna be in our glaze. We have the mango, the peppers, the scallions, the blood orange, and the garlic. I cannot imagine what this is gonna taste like, but it's gonna be really good. It's just, the smell alone is delicious. Our salmon's almost completely done, and I'll show you that over here. It has great color. Also is smelling delicious. So right now we're gonna make the glaze. Starting ahead of me. Put a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna start to heat up
Extra virgen.
the garlic.
El extra virgen o aceite.
Yeah, the extra virgin garlic. I mean,
Oil.
extra oil. Alright, let's see you place these in there. Gonna start off with that garlic. That has such a good sound. We're gonna let that cook first. Alright, so we're going for round 2 now.
Pepper.
The red pepper's going in. Yeah, that sounds good.
Scallion.
Scallions in. Again, this is all for a glaze. Alright, there goes the teriyaki.
No that much.
Not too much.
Honey.
And we're gonna get our honey in there.
Sweet.
So it'll be a nice salty sweet balance. Alright, now we're gonna put our blood oranges on top. So we're gonna use some arugula, and then on top of that we're gonna put the mango and also some of the pieces of the blood orange. Again, it's all of those pieces individually tasted absolutely amazing. So then we're gonna put the lemon herb dressing on top. And yeah, I don't know how much of that you want.
Yeah, just a little bit. Not that much.
And then we're gonna put that all in there. All right, so now we're gonna stuff the shell. This is gonna be one of the more important parts here for sure. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put that on top. Okay, now we're gonna put the salmon in the glaze. Oh yeah, check out the salmon. Looks absolutely beautiful. The sauce. Here's the finished product. Absolutely delicious. Salmon taco mix. Beautiful colors, amazing fresh veggies and fruit. Should taste absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to try this one. Alright, so it's finally done. I already showed you the finished plate, so now we're going to taste it. So let's cut off a little piece for each of us.
Get some with the glaze.
Get some with the glaze. Here you go. You can have that piece. I'll take this one. Gotta try that. Alright, here goes nothing. You got it? Oh my. That is absolutely delicious.
It's good, yeah.
Nice and sweet. The fish is very salty. Great balance to it. I love it. I think it's nice. Now I want to try the salad. Because this taco shell, get ready for this one. Oh god.
The taco is crispy.
Yeah, nice crispy shell. We have taco strips to go along with that. So fresh. Honestly, I feel like this is like a meal that you find at the beach and you can just literally eat it anytime. Tastes fantastic. Alright guys, well thank you so much again for watching. Thank you for my dad for coming to our kitchen and making this fantastic meal, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and follow us for more. And we'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.